ayan guys, kami ay pupuntang Banff. Celebrate namin ang birthday ni Nathan Hu. May snow. Ayan o, snow. Nag-snow siya, kaya lang. Ewan ko lang sa Banff kung may snow. So ayan guys, dry dito sa Cochrane. Buti walang snow.
49.
Pero gusto ni Ron ng may snow.
49.
Ewan ko lang sa Banff. It's a beautiful view.
If I fall down, that would be cool.
So ayan guys, first stop, the views. Look at the views. Ha?
Can I use my new boot shoes? Also, make sure don't forget to also ask to ChatGPT my brain.
So ayan guys, nandito kami sa downtown ng Canmore. Big bar, big beer. So, kailangan natin maglakad papunta doon sa bridge. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Yeah, on the front and the other side. What do you think I can do like this?
So, yes.
And how I pay?
Daddy, this reminds me about something. We've been here.
No, I've been in Banff.
So, yan guys. Cloudy today.
How?
Ah. Busy sila sa drawing habang nag-aantay ng order.
Literally, I want pencil.
So ayan guys, let's eat. Ang kids menu have a free dessert. What's that, Talia? Oreo and vanilla.
Vanilla!
His favorite.
In 6 minutes. You want to check this shop?
Okay, go.
Only 6 minutes.
Ay. Faster, faster.
How far?
Big bird. Bear bite.
Mommy, the would make me beat her.
What's that? Books?
About the...
Look the price. Canmore.
Wait, have games.
What games?
You all go with
Oh, okay.
It's dangerous.
have your name on it.
Baby,
The Canmore. Stop.
Canmore.
Stop, the Three Sisters. Come on, man.
Trees. So yan, punta na kami ng Banff. Are you filming the road? Yeah.
Mommy, Teddy's so deep.
Where?
Before in 2003.
So ayun guys, nakalimutan kong bigyan si Ron ng key. Antayin namin. Doon na kami sa aming... Ay.
Pilipino?
Opo.
Kamusta po?
Ayos naman. Relax muna ngayon.
Ngayon lang?
Opo.
Mutsiki kayo?
Opo.
Relax na. Walang pasok eh.
Diba? Birthday niya.
Ah, Bob! Happy birthday, kuya!
So, dito yung kanilang spa. Ang ganda. Spa. And this is changed clothes. Dito ay
306, no?
Yeah.
נכון?
check the ring.
306.
The smell is ugly. Why have only 6 hotels?
This one, 306.
306.
Okay.
Open the light.
Wow.
Oh, it's good.
Yes, have
What the heck?
what's the second floor? Baby, she gave me a good room.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, what the? I like it.
Wow.
Our first 24 for boots.
Ay, the bag, luggage. So, ayan ang aming
This is how
views.
much I have for TV.
Wow, view. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe this, baby. She gave me a...
Really?
No. This,
It's like we're lucky.
no. So, ayan ang aming toilet.
Daddy, are we lucky?
Yes.
Even with a TV?
Ang ating microwaves.
Yeah, this is
And ref.
edgy.
So, itong aming room. Ano to? This other room. So, itong aming room. Happy birthday, Nathan. I want to put there the happy birthday.
Actually, we could bring the Xbox.
Ah.
Yeah.
Why?
No, I'm just thinking. We can connect it.
So, yan guys. May dala akong snacks. Para hindi na kami bili ng bili. Pang cake tomorrow. Tapos itong bread. Pistachio.
See that? I don't see anything. Yeah.
Peanut butter. Eat. Naulan ba? Or snow? Walang snow. May snow. Wala. So, ayan ang aming view.
Oh,
Sulit ang bayad.
oh, shit. It's so hard. Yeah. It looks so funny. Ew, this is the boss.
So, mamaya kailangan kong i-set up tong happy birthday ni Nathan doon. Wala akong tape. Tsaka straw para ibalon to. 7 years old. 7.
Ugly.
7.
Ugly.
So, ayan guys. Lalabas kami.
Sorry guys.
New shoes, oh.
Wow. Ayos, este po, maharman na po. Wala ba yun?
Let's go.
Wow, ano ba?
Uh-huh. If you have, if you have beer, something. We buy beer later.
The what?
Beer.
Stop! Daddy, don't be so fast.
Go. Elevator.
Stop.
My bangs. Planchado. Okay. So, yun guys. Lakad-lakad kami sa downtown. Why did I bring my... Go. Go, Talia. Nathan. Wow.
I was your family at 100 Pokemon. See? Like peanuts.
No. 7 and 8. Today, tomorrow, they turn 7.
So just 1 year gap.
Yeah.
Pizza first.
He's trying to distract with the environment. So.
What is he staring at?
I don't know, maybe the car.
Yeah.
So, ayan guys. Oh, ayan guys. Nathan, no? What?
I see seven have the same shoes as you.
Hmm.
Yeah. There. At front.
Let's walk around the bound.
Huh? No, color's different. That one is and this one is.
Cold. Hey, good view. Wait, a picture. Nathan, hold daddy, ay. Come, Talia. Sobrang lamig. Nagpapainit sa fireplace. Oh!
It scared me.
Talia, why you touch it? Hot.
Ooh. Hot. Why do
Ah.
you-
Later, I think have so. I have a notification. I'm stupid. I didn't bring my tripod. We can picture here.
iPad?
Tripod.
Ah, yes. Yun, ask her. Good ask her.
No, she tired. So, tingin-tingin lang. Gas Cape shops.
It's really good.
Ah, this man, baby.
Oh, she can lower it.
Oh, I have to leave it as is.
Go, 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 faster. Oh, cool.
It's not so cool for me.
It's cold. It's rough. Try natin tong Asian Bob Mark. Ay, it's open. No, it's open. Ah, it's Filipino. Yes.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. Yun yung Filipino.
Kasi ito naman ang pangalan nung nakaraan naman nila. Kulang naman. Ay, hindi. Sabi nila parang...
So, yun guys. Eh, tulo si Pong.
Bad baby. What happened to her mouse?
May... So, yan ang kanilang pinagkakabalahan. Mag-stay muna kami dito ng mga 1 hour
I
sa
can't believe
Starbucks.
if I have a real life for
Kasi real life.
What was our hotel?
No, we go back to the shops. We change your...
But where's our hotel? This is my mom and dad gift from me.
Hey, Nathan! Happy birthday, Nathan! So, this is the effect of the
Mommy,
alcohol.
mommy, when I grow up now, mommy,
Red my face.
mommy.
So, we're going back to hotel and we gonna swim. Swim and...
Oh, and there.
Don't.
Where's the...
It's like $2,000.
Now it's $2,000.
Where? Can...
No.
So, ayan, nakatupi si Talia.
I look like Moana.
Ah, Moana. Hot or cold?